Hi there, it's Walter here from the Daily Trader at fxjake.com, and I want to talk about backtesting. As you probably know, I'm a big fan of backtesting, and there's many ways to do it. One simple way to do it is to use a MetaTrader demo account, which is what I use for my charting. And once I get my MetaTrader demo account, I can load my charts like I have here, the Aussie dollar, US dollar daily chart, and I can simply hit the F12 key here and advance the charts one candlestick at a time, just like this. You can see here, I've got a really nice kangaroo tail here. So I might decide that I want to take this trade, right? I might want to sell the market here. But if I advance I would sell below the low here, and I put my stop loss above the high. But if I advance here, or if I accidentally see the future, I see that the market actually went higher and would have taken out my stop, but it probably wouldn't have triggered my trade down here. Why is this important? Because when I'm using MetaTrader to backtest, it's quite easy for me to see these things and say, okay, I wouldn't have taken that trade. Yeah, that wasn't really that good. That kangaroo tail didn't have a whole lot of space here. And so I probably wouldn't have gone in on that trade and would have taken that trade. And then I see that the market went higher, and then I say, maybe I should, let's see, should I take a trade here? And I see this one and I go, I don't really like it. And then I see it went up and I go, ooh, well, actually, I would have taken that kangaroo tail. So I'm going to count that as a buy. I would have put my buy here. I would have put my stop loss down here. I would have taken that with the trend type kangaroo tail. Well, by inching forward and sneaking forward and seeing the future, I'm actually allowing hindsight bias to creep in. Hindsight bias is just this idea that information about the future helps me change my opinion of what I would have done in the past. Knowing that the market went up here changes my opinion about this kangaroo tail and helps me to think, you know what, I actually probably would have taken that trade. And seeing that the market blew through the tail of this kangaroo tail tells me, oh, I probably wouldn't have taken that trade or whatever. The point is, if I allow future information to be introduced into my thinking, even if it's subconscious, even if I just see this part of the chart when I'm scrolling back. Let's say I'm over here and I'm scrolling back to find a starting spot for my back testing. Even if I just do that, even if I simply allow the charts to scroll like this so that I actually see what's happening before it happens, even if it's just quick like this, that can affect my thinking and that can affect my backtesting. I don't want that to happen. That's why I use Forex Tester, because I can load a chart and I don't see the future price until I start going through the price, and it unfolds as it would sort of in real time. I hit the space bar and each candle advances one candle at a time when I'm backtesting. That's really the main reason why I use Forex Tester. Yes, it's nice to take the data out and stick it into a spreadsheet. Yes, it's really nice to have it where I just click it and I buy, and I click it and I get out. I can easily move my trades to break even and all that. But it's more than that about Forex Tester. It's more than the fact that it's easy to use. It's also the fact that it helps me to avoid hindsight bias, and it really helps me to be a better back tester so that I'm not cheating when I'm testing my systems. I hope you find this useful, and if you do want Forex Tester, you can actually get it at a discount on the link here below this video. I wish you very happy trading until the next video.